Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to understand your credit report using Bright's tool. You want to decode your credit report and boost your score? Well, Bright makes it easy to do just that. First, open the Bright app and tap on the Credit tab. You're going to see your current credit score right at the top, pulled securely, of course, from major credit bureaus. Next, just tap View Full Reports. Here, Bright breaks down the key sections of your credit reports. That's the payment section where you can see which payments were on time and which were late. You also have the credit utilization section where you can learn how much of your credit that you're using and why exactly this matters. There's also the accounts and inquiries where you can track open accounts, closed ones, and recent credit checks. And also you have public records where you have any bankruptcies or liens. Bright flags them clearly if they exist. To make things clearer, Bright highlights what's helping your score and what's hurting it. You also get personalized tips like paying down a certain card or increasing your credit age. If you need help fixing an error, just tap Dispute an Item and Bright will guide you through submitting a correction request to the credit bureaus. With Bright's tool, you'll go for credit confusion to credit confidence in just a few minutes. Like and subscribe for more smart money tutorials and we'll see you in the next one.